Hi kids, how are you? So let's continue with the third chapter. Yeah. So now you people know what are polygons, what are closed and open curves, correct? Now one new thing which you would need to know is what do you mean by interior of a closed curve and exterior of a closed curve. Now see the first figure. Can you see written interior over there? Yeah. Over here you can see the colored part. Now so whatever thing which is that colored part that is inside the diagram which is given, it's a curve diagram, correct? You can see all the different curves. So whatever is inside the curve diagram is called, it is in the interior of the diagram. Now look over here. Can you see the colored part that is outside the boundary of the diagram which is given? A curved diagram is drawn and the colored part is outside of it. So that is called exterior of a closed curve, which is not inside. The points which are not inside the curve diagram, they are called exterior. Clear the meaning of interior and exterior? Very good. Now you also know what are polygons, correct? Any diagram drawn with the help of line segments are called polygons. Which are the examples of polygons? Triangle, quadrilaterals like square, you can say rectangle, rhombus, kite, correct? Then pentagon, hexagon, octagon, heptagon, these are all different polygons. Now let's start with the exercise. I have already told you what are closed figures and all, na? So let's start with one exercise. Yeah, we'll start with exercise 3.1. Just see the first diagram. Yeah, and the question is we have to classify the figures into different bases, like you have to classify them like whether it is a simple curve, whether it is a simple closed curve, whether it is a polygon, whether it is a convex polygon, or whether it is a concave polygon. Okay, so these things you have to classify. Now let's start with the classification. See the first diagram, and the first point of classification is simple curve. So we will see which of these diagrams are simple curve. Okay, yeah, 8 diagrams are given. Chalo, let's start from the first one. Now first one, simple curve means anything which you draw without picking up your pencil in one shot. Whatever thing you write or you draw, whatever thing diagram you make, okay, without picking up your pencil, that is a simple curve. Now the first one, can you see? Can you draw without picking up your pencil in between? Yes, you can. So the first diagram is a simple curve. Second diagram also we can easily draw without picking up the pencil in between. Yes or no? Yes. So second one is also a simple curve. Now let's see the third one. Third one circle is there and then another circle is there. Kids, first one inner circle or the outer circle, any one of the circle you can easily draw without picking up your pencil. But for drawing a second circle, you need to change the place, correct? So this is not a simple curve. Clear? So third number, that figure is not a simple curve. Then talk about the fourth one. Can you see the star? Now over here also, only with one pencil, without in continuation, without breaking, you can't. You need to stop somewhere and start the diagram again. Like you will draw one triangle and then from another place you will draw another triangle, correct? Then you can form a star. So star is also not a simple curve. Then go for the fifth one. Fifth one we can easily draw with our pencil without picking up, correct? Yes. So that is again a simple curve. Sixth one also, it is easily drawn without picking up the pencil in one time only. So yes, sixth one is also a simple curve. Seventh one, yeah, that also you can draw easily without picking up the pencil. So that is also a simple curve. Clear? And the last one, you can see two circles and one vertical line. For this, you will draw one circle, then you will pick up your pencil, you will draw one standing line, then again you will draw one circle. So you are again and again picking up your pencil and putting the point somewhere else. So this is not a simple curve. Clear, kids? What are simple curves? Simple curves are when you are drawing a diagram without picking up your pencil. In one shot only, whatever you can draw, that is a simple curve. Now, the another classification we have to do is about simple closed curve. Means, first of all, you have to see it should be a simple curve. So, which are the simple curve you already classified? Number 1, number 2, 5, 6 and 7. Those are simple curves. Now, from that, which are closed ones? Which are simple curve but they are closed. Closed means the diagram should not be open from anywhere. Now see the first one. You can see all the angles like you can say all the lines are touching each other. There is no space, like no openings. So the first one is called simple closed curve. Clear? Then second one, that is also all lines are touching. All the line segments are touching each other. There is no open space. So second one is also a simple curve. Clear? Then as third and fourth are not even simple curves. We don't need to see them because what we want the classification is about simple closed curves. Now see the fifth one, because we have said that is a simple curve. Is it a closed one? Can you see any openings over here? No. So yes, diagram fifth, that is called a simple closed curve. Even sixth, simple closed curve. Even the seventh one is a simple closed curve because there are no openings over there. Clear? All the segments are joined with each other. All the curves are joined with each other. So, your second classification, simple closed curves. Which are the answers? 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. Clear? Okay, now let's go for the third classification. Third classification is we have to specify whether it is a polygon or no. Now kids, for that you should just know what is a polygon. What did I say? Polygon is any figure which is drawn with the help of line segments. Clear? Line segments only. There should not be any curves and all. Only line segments when you join and a figure is formed, that is called a polygon. So over here, which are the polygons? You can see line segments drawn only in the first figure and the second figure. Correct? So these both 1 and 2 are your polygons. Now the fourth question classification is about convex polygon. Now you don't need to see all the figures because first of all, which are polygon, from there only you will find whether it is concave or convex. Others are not at all a polygon. They are curved, simple curved or closed curved or open curved. So you don't need to see them. Now, how will you find out convex polygon? When in a diagram, if you draw diagonals and if you find the diagonals are in the interior of the diagram, those diagrams are called convex polygons. Clear? And if you draw a diagonal in a polygon and if the diagonals are coming outside the diagram, means in the exterior, the diagonals are drawn in the exterior of the figure, those are called as concave polygons. Correct? So now see the first figure. In the first figure you will find we can draw a diagonal on the top. Correct? So that will be in the exterior you are drawing the diagonal. Clear? So the first figure is concave polygon. What is it? Concave polygon. Second figure, you can draw easily in the interior only. Diagonals will come in the interiors. So such a diagram is called convex polygon. Over here in this exercise there are only two polygons. Correct? First and second. So out of that, first one is concave and the second one is convex. Clear, kids, with all this? Very good. Okay. Next we will do tomorrow. Fine? Okay, yeah. Bye-bye.